To determine the correct size, measure the circumference of the upper and lower leg 6 inches or 15 centimeters above and below mid-patella. Open the straps and ask the user to pull on the sleeve over the knee. For correct positioning of the brace, align the knee in the center of the opening and knee joint with the hinge. Shape and move the buttress so that it will press against the lateral side of the kneecap. Press the buttress against the side of the kneecap and affix the bottom strap first. Fold the strap to the appropriate length if needed. Do not over-tighten. Fold the upper strap to the appropriate length if needed. Affix the upper strap on the landing pad. Trim the strap to the appropriate length if needed. Ask the user to stand up and verify the correct position and fit of the brace. Adjust the brace positioning and buttress pressure if needed. If preferred by the user, the hinges can be removed. Insert the entire brace into the designated wash bag without removing pads or straps. Machine wash using a gentle wash cycle and a mild detergent.